turn it upside down. There you go. Rip it open. That's good. Keep going. That's okay. Keep going. Rip it open. See what's in it. You gotta rip it open to see what's in it. Yeah. Got presents for your birthday. You're 3. How old are you now? 3?
Thomas, birthday. It's Thomas. Thomas in here.
White, you gotta rip more paper. Rip the paper. Just rip it.
Tear it open.
Again, Mommy?
Yeah, tear the paper open. Yeah, there you go. Pull it hard. Yeah.
Hold it to the camera. Say, thank you, Grandma.
Yeah, I love it, Thomas. Love Thomas.
You love Thomas?
Yeah.
Should we open another present?
Yeah.